Hello friends, there are many useless things around us that we can turn into something really cool. Today while I was looking around, I found some cardboard boxes. They have some great features. They are strong enough, easy to cut, and we can glue them to make different shapes. These cardboard boxes are very good for making crafts, school projects or university projects. We can also use them to build models that we want to make later from wood or metal. It's cheap, easy to work with, and perfect for practice. It is interesting to know that because the cardboard is made in layers, if you cut it in the right way, you can turn a flat piece into a round shape. In this video, you can see that I tried to make simple belt, but I couldn't do it perfectly. Here I wanted to make something like a belt. I also made two gears from two pieces of strong cardboard. With this belt, the two gears can move together.
A little bit of disregard, handful of complaints, but I can't help the fact that everyone can see these scars. What I want you to want, what I want you to feel, but it's like no matter what I do, I can't convince you to just believe this is real. So let go, watching you turn your back like you always do. Face away and pretend that I'm not, but I'll be here cause you're all that I got. I can't feel the way I did before. Don't turn your back on me. I won't be ignored. Time won't change this damage anymore. Don't turn your back on me. I won't be ignored. I'm a little bit insecure, a little unconfident, cause you don't understand to do what I can, but sometimes
I will try to make many cool things with cardboard in my future videos. You can use these ideas and build your own design too.